Today we talk about Otago scholarship from University of Otago, New Zealand. Before we continue and wait till the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you if I will be applying for this scholarship or not based on my chance of success. And also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to put on the notification so as to get notified instantly when a new video is uploaded. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, this particular scholarship offers $34,128 of New Zealand plus a full tuition waiver for 36 months, and they are awarding about 153 applicants. So, which also join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram. The link is the description of this video. Thank you. The scholarship is open for both domestic and international students worldwide. However, this particular scholarship is only for PhD students. If you are looking to study a PhD, this scholarship is for you. The school also have some master scholarship, but it's not currently opened, but you can still check on. But once it's opened, I will let you guys know. So that's for that. Uh, sorry. So, like I said, it's for both a PhD degree, if you're looking to study a PhD courses, and also for a professional doctorate. There's a difference between doctorate degree and a doctor of philosophy. They are related, but the number of years in which they use in study is different. And one is more research rigorous related, and while the other one is not that as rigorous as the normal PhD degree. So, who can apply? Both domestic student or international student that are all over the world, and this should be your first degree, either for a PhD or a professional doctorate degree. So this shouldn't be your second degree. So those are the main criteria. And also you need a GPA requirement, which for most successful applicants that sit on a in the US range, which is basically I think 3.5 out of 4, which is more like I think 85% or so. Uh, and a grade of 8 out of 9 on the Tonga scale, because Otago scale is a 9. So they want to have at least 8 out of 9. And also, if you have other research experience, is also an additional a bonus for you. But before I also continue with the rest of the scholarship, let me show you if for this particular scholarship, as you can see, this is a Brinsom AI. Don't forget, if you want to use it, is a Brinsom AI, is brinsom.io, or you will see the link in the description of this video, or Brinsom. So this is a University of Otago doctoral scholarship, and I have already analyzed my chance. As you can see, 82% chance with my profile, and I have a 65% chance of winning. Personally, this 65% chance is too small for me. I will say I will not apply because I feel it's moderate chance, but I need something like at least like a 70 something percent chance. That would give me more, or I would say more confidence, basically. But I can still give it a try. Do you understand? You can see your profile is a strong match because you are seeking a page in economics, which align perfectly with the scholarship target degree field, and your academic background includes a bachelor's and a master's, blah, blah, blah. And you see, your CGPA is slightly below 85% threshold, which is why I think my score is it's about 65. So, my GPA it does not meet the threshold of 85%. So, which is why I also said I don't think I will be applying because I think my chance is a little bit low. So, yeah. So that's for that. So you can also check out your chances. This also help you to or to make right decision and to know whether you should put mind on that particular scholarship you are applying or not. So let's continue with our slide. So you can apply anytime because they have different round. They have March round, June round, September round, and November round. So for September round is currently opened, which is why I'm making this scholarship public for you guys to apply. So you should apply if you're interested. So the key date to watch for the September round is application closes in October 1. And for domestic students, that's for international students. For domestic students, closes December 1. So if you are an international student, you need to apply latest by October 1. So good to know. Program under review. Otago is currently reviewing the strategic direction of its doctoral scholarship. Details may change. Always check the official scholarship page for the latest information, which is very, very, very important. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and Telegram. And thank you very much and have a wonderful day. God bless you all, guys.